is a leading service provider for cooling systems such as air conditioning and refrigeration systems. Our one-stop destination for cooling solutions offers a wide range of services such as installations, repairs, and maintenance of air conditioner and refrigeration systems. We serve both domestic and commercial customers. Customer satisfaction is our motto, and it has helped us acquire the trust of our customers. From our certified technicians are well-trained and equipped to service and repair all major brands such as Carrier, Daikin, Blue Star, Mitsubishi, Voltaz, and many others. Number 1. Sales and installation. Our expert staff will advise and help you in selection of equipment as per your needs, resulting in the most economical and best choice. Number 2. Repair and services. We are at your service 24/7 whenever you need us. Our air conditioning and refrigeration repair technicians are certified and experienced, and we guarantee our work the first time around. We service and repair all equipment brands, and you can trust us to complete your repair and service work in the most professional manner. Number 3. Maintenance. It's important to take care of your air conditioning and refrigeration units so that they last longer, work better, and help you keep energy costs down. Our preventative annual maintenance schemes are reliable and budget-friendly. They ensure trouble-free and smooth operations of your machines so that they last longer. While our company focuses on excellence in customer service, we are specialized in all types of air conditioning and refrigeration systems. Our qualified, polite, and dedicated staff is available 24/7. So what are you waiting for?